Hello, my name is Neil Harris, and it's my real pleasure today to be introducing you as part of the Gallery Teachers Masterclass series to the concept of the role of culture in English language teaching. I aim to demonstrate that as important as it is to share with our students something of our culture, and for students to be sharing, if they're in a multilingual classroom, aspects of their cultures with one another. After all, many of our students are very inquisitive. They want to know about their classmates and where they come from. This workshop will show you so much more about what we can get by taking culture one step further forward. It's my passionate belief that we are now working with students who see themselves as global citizens, who use English for a purpose. It may be for study, it may be for travel, it may be for work, but what they all share is a need to understand one another. And understanding language, grammar and vocabulary only takes you so far. If you have an understanding of how culture works, how it manifests itself in other parts of the world, and if you have frameworks for thinking about culture and analysing cultural behaviour, which at first we perhaps don't understand, we are in a much better position to have empathy and to have a positive environment in which to work, learn and play.